Thank you to, sorry. Thank you to Manhattan Beach Little League, City of Manhattan Beach, the organizers, especially Dennis and David, for this special honor. There really are no words to describe the pride and honor we felt when Dennis told us they would not only be dedicating the season to my dad, but also wanted to honor him at opening day. This truly was one of his favorite days, and even though he was a man of few words, we knew how much this town and Little League meant to him, especially when he quietly snuck out the door each year to be driven around in the parade and we didn't even know. My dad was a man of catchphrases. At any given moment, he was telling me to take no prisoners, and we ain't here to act monkeys with everybody. Sometimes I didn't even know what his funny phrases meant, except to go out there, work hard, try my best, and be a good teammate. My dad was my hero and one of the smartest guys I know. He also was the self-proclaimed best coach I ever had. Even while continuing his career as an entrepreneur, he was there for every practice and coached every team. It's some of the best memories that my brother and I have. I'm so thankful I was able to see his love for Little League in Manhattan Beach come full circle this past season when my daughter Kate started playing. She was playing U6 for the Pink Dynamite with Mike Nutting. Dad would take her to practice every week for me, get her whatever she wanted, usually a red Gatorade, and some tips each time. Keep your eye on the ball, keep your elbow up. I reminded him she was only 5, but he said skills and habits need to be started early, and he was right. He made sure she had the right equipment, decked her out with everything, was embarrassed when I didn't have the right things for her, and was there every game in the stands and helping as a third base coach when needed. He's still with us today in a different way, and I know he'll be continuing to tell my girls all the tips and watching them as they start their Little League journey. Thank you again, and here's to a great season.